Good morning, students. Today we will go for the next part of the rest part of the story, the hack driver. Yesterday we saw how the writer himself went to this village to find out the Lutkins to serve him summon to appear in the court. And it was his job to go everywhere to serve summons like this. Okay, and he told us also, the writer told us that sometimes it was all troublesome for him to go to the city side to serve summons to the some people who were bullies, who were very powerful men, and they used to beat him also. So this was a kind of job that he was doing uh, so far. Okay, and he was asked to go to the particular people by his company where he was working in a city, although he was not very happy with this kind of job because he wanted to do a job like an advocate. In fact, he was law graduate and he wanted to discuss the things in the court before the judge like any other advocate. But he was asked simply to go to the people to serve summons. So it was his work only, and although he was not satisfied with it. Now here, when he went to this particular village, Mulin, okay, he came across a man who was a uh, hackman, or you can say uh, cab driver, okay, hack driver, and he helped him uh, to take into the that village where he has to find out the person, namely Lutkins. Okay, so when he realized the hackman, the hack driver realized that he has to, I mean, the writer has to serve someone to Lutkins. Took great interest in it, and he decided to help him, yeah, help the writer in all respect. So here, at the last line, when I finished, at the end, he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. Okay, when he came to know that what was the purpose of the writer, he hit me. I mean, he was very pleasant, and he hit the writer on his shoulder and laughed. And then he said, well, we will give Brother Lutkins a little surprise. Okay, now we will start from today. Here from today, let's start, driver. He says, okay, chalo start karte hain. Most folks around here call me Bill or Mannixon. Okay. Now he frankly told him his introduction. The writer, the hack driver, in fact, told the writer that he himself is known as Bill or Mannixon. Okay. Magnuson. Okay. My business is called William Mannixon Fancy Karting and hacking. Okay, and then he further told him that his entire business is known as William Magnuson Fancy Karting and Hacking. ये उसके business का नाम है. Okay. Then the writer says, all right, well, shall we proceed to fridge? So as he earlier suggested him to that they should go to fridge to find out. Fridge is a shop, okay, of a particular person, namely Fridge. Okay, so that person, I mean, that now the person is known as Bill. So Bill says, yes, Lutkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Okay, it is all possible that Lutkins will be there at Fridge, plays a lot of poker, and since he is very much interested in playing poker, poker is a kind of gambling, kind of jua, okay, that is played with the help of playing card. Okay, ताश के साथ इसे खेलते हैं. He is good at deceiving people, and further he told him that he is good at deceiving people. Good at deceiving means लोगों को धोखा, अच्छे से धोखा दे देता है. Bill seemed to admire Lutkin's talent for dishonesty. Here, the writer realizes that Bill uh, is all interested to admire Lutkin's talent for his dishonesty. Although Lutkins was dishonest, but Bill, it seems that Bill is admiring him for his dishonesty. ऐसा लग रहा था कि बिल उसकी तारीफ कर रहा था उसकी डिसऑनेस्टी के लिए, उसकी इस बेईमानी के लिए. आई फेल दैट इफ ही हैड बीन अ पुलिसमैन, एंड फर्दर द राइटर सेड कि अगर वो पुलिस वाला होता, बिल पुलिस वाला होता, ही वुड हैव कॉट लुटकिंस रिस्पेक्टफुली. तो लुटकिंस को अगर पकड़ना भी होता तो बहुत ईमान सम्मान के साथ पकड़ता, एंड जेल्ड हिम विथ रिग्रेट, और उसे अगर जेल में भी डालना होता तो उसे अफसोस के साथ डालना होता. ओके. बिल लेड मी इन टू फ्रिज. ओके. नाउ बिल लेड मी टुक हिम द राइटर इन टू फ्रिज शॉप. फ्रिज मीन्स फ्रिज शॉप. And then asked the owner of the shop, have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? Have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? तुमने Oliver Lutkins को यहाँ कहीं देखा? Friend of his looking for him. Okay. Now, said Bill cheerily. Okay. Now he further told him that his friend, one of his friend is looking for him. उसके एक मित्र आए हैं, उसकी तलाश कर रहे हैं. Said Bill cheerily. बिल ने फ्रिज की दुकान पे फ्रिज से जाके बोला खुशी से, cheerily. Fritz looked at me hiding behind the bill, and since the writer was not there close to them, तो वो दूर से ही राइटर देख रहा था कि फ्रिज ने पहले मेरी तरफ देखा, फिर बिल्स के सामने थोड़ा हाइड कर गया, मतलब मैं उसको नहीं देख पाया. राइटर सेज he hesitated and then admitted. First he hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. Okay, वो अभी कुछ देर पहले था. Guess he is gone over to Gustav's to get a sale. So he further said, the owner of the fridge, I mean in fact fridge himself says कि मैं guess कर सकता हूँ, I can guess he has gone over to Gustav's to get a save. वो गुस्टाव के दुकान पे गया होगा सेविंग कराने. ओके. वेल इफ he comes in, tell him I am looking for him. Okay. And then he finally suggests him that if he comes in, अगर वो आता है, tell him I am looking for him. तो उसे बता देना कि मैं उसकी तलाश कर रहा हूँ. We drove to Gustav's barber shop, but here their search for Lutkins was continuously there. Okay. And we drove means they were going by the cab. Okay. And we drove to Gustav's barber shop. They went to Gustav's barber shop. Gustav was a Swedish person working over there in England. Okay. So they drove to Gustav's barber shop. Gustav की सैलून में गए, बार्बर शॉप में गए. अगेन बिल वेंट इन फर्स्ट. इस बार भी बिल पहले उसकी दुकान में गया. एंड आई लिंगर्ड एट द डोर. मैं दरवाजे पे ही खड़ा रहा. He asked not only the Swede but the two customers if they had seen Lutkins. As I told you, Gustav was Swedish. The Swede means one who belongs to Sweden. Okay, Swede. In Swedish, in short, Swede. So he asked not only the Swede. Swede means Gustav. उसने सिर्फ गुस्ताव से ही नहीं पूछा, but two customers if they had seen Lutkins. He also asked the two customers over there in the shop whether they have seen Lutkins. उसने कस्टमर से ही पूछा कि क्या उसने लुटकिंस को देखा है. The Swede had not. In fact, Gustav himself has not seen. He said angrily, बल्कि उसने गुस्से में कहा, I have not seen him. मैंने तो उसे नहीं देखा. And don't care to. मैं उसकी परवाह नहीं करता. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes me. Okay. लेकिन अगर तुम उससे मिलना तो उससे कम से कम $35 जो उसने मुझसे लिए थे उससे जरूर कहना मुझे देने के लिए. अदरवाइज I'll be angry at him. Okay. One of the customers thought that he had seen Lutkins walking down the main street. But one of the customers in the salon thought, he opined his views by saying that he had seen Lutkins walking down main street. He had seen Lutkins, उसने Lutkins को देखा है किसी सड़क पे जाते हुए, दिस साइड ऑफ द होटल, होटल के किसी एक साइड में. ओके. As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that since Lutkins had exhausted his credit at Gustav, he had probably gone to graze for a shave. Okay? As we climbed back into the hack, जब हम लोग वापस हैक में आए उस दुकान से, बिल कंक्लूडेड, तो बिल इस बात पे कंक्लूड किया या अपनी बातों को रखा, दैट सिंस लुटकिंस हैज एग्जॉस्टेड हिज क्रेडिट एट गुस्ताव, लुटकिंस ने क्या किया है, उससे उधार लिया है गुस्ताव से. ही हैड प्रॉब्ली गॉन टू ग्रेज फॉर अ शेव. तो उधार मीन्स कि वो फ्री में उसने शेविंग कराई है और उसके पैसे उसने गुस्ताव को नहीं दिए हैं. तो ये पूरे चांस है कि वो गुस्ताव के यहाँ शेविंग कराने नहीं गया है. ही हैड प्रॉब्ली गॉन टू ग्रेज फॉर अ शेव. वो शायद ग्रे के यहाँ शेविंग के लिए गया होगा. एट ग्रेज बार्बर शॉप वी मिस्ड लुटकिंस ओनली बाई 5 मिनट्स. और उनका जो गेस्ट था वो सही था. व्हेन दे वेंट टू ग्रेज बार्बर शॉप they found that Lutkins went over there, but just 5 minutes ago he went from that shop. वो उस शॉप से जा चुका था. He had just left, probably for a pool room. तो I think the owner of that barber, Gray's barber shop, told them that he had just left. वो अभी तुरंत निकला है, probably for a pool room. Pool room जहाँ के ये स्नूकर वगैरह खेलते हैं वहाँ पे he has gone. Okay. At the pool room, it appeared that he had just brought a pack of cigarette and gone out. And when they went to pool room, they found that he had just bought a pack of cigarette. He visited over there. I mean, the Lutkins visited over there. He bought a pack of cigarette from there and gone out. And then immediately he went out. तो वहाँ से भी वो जा चुका था. इन लोग पहुँचे तो वहाँ पे वो नहीं था. सो वी परसूड हिम. तो इन लोगों ने उसका पीछा किया. जस्ट बिहाइंड हिम बट नेवर कैचिंग हिम. उसके पीछे जरूर थे लेकिन वो जहाँ भी पहुँचते थे वहाँ से वो निकल चुका होता था. दे फेल टू कैच हिम फॉर एन आवर टिल इट वॉज पास्ट 1 o'clock. कुछ 1 घंटे तक ये लोग उस तरह से पीछा करते रहे और एक से ज़्यादा बज चुके थे तब तक उसका सिलसिला चलता रहा. आई वॉज हंग्री. इनफैक्ट राइटर सेज दैट ही वॉज हंग्री, भूखे थे. But I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutkins or not. Okay? But the writer says that he was enjoying the company of Bill. वो बिल के इस साथ को, इस कंपनी को बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे थे क्योंकि बिल का जो अपने बातचीत करने का तरीका था, इट वॉज सिंपली लाइक अ विलेजर एंड ही वॉज टेलिंग ईच एंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट हिज नेबर्स, अबाउट द विलेजर्स. ओके. एंड आई स्केसली केयर्ड विद आई फाइन. तो राइटर भी भूल गया था कि वो लुटकिंस को खोजने आया है, उसे समन सर्व करने आया है. एंड ही वॉज ऑल he found himself missed somewhere among the villagers along with Bill. Okay. Now, how about something to eat? I suggested. Okay. Then finally, when he was hungry, he simply asked Bill, how about something to eat? अभी कैसा रहेगा अगर हम लोग कुछ खा पी लें? I suggested, let's go to a restaurant and I'll buy you lunch. He suggested him, Bill, that they should go to a restaurant. उन्हें रेस्टोरेंट जाना चाहिए. And I'll buy you a lunch. मैं तुम्हें लंच तुम्हारे लिए वो करूँगा, उसके लिए पे करूँगा. Well, I ought to go to home to the wife. I don't care much for these restaurants. Then Bill says, as far as he is concerned, he should go to his wife. वो अपनी वाइफ के पास जाएगा. उसे ये रेस्टोरेंट पसंद नहीं है. Only 4 of them and they are all bad. उसने कहा कि यहाँ 4 रेस्टोरेंट हैं और चारों बेकार हैं. Tell you what we will do. Okay. अब आप बताओ कि मुझे, या मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि क्या हम लोग को करना है. We will get the wife to pack up a lunch for us. Okay. हम लोग पहले मैं अपने घर ले चलूँगा अपने वाइफ के पास. उनसे कहूँगा कि वो लंच हम लोग के लिए पैक कर दें. She won't charge you more than $50. वो शायद $50 से भी ज़्यादा चार्ज नहीं करेगी. एंड इट वुड कॉस्ट यू more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. Okay. And it would cost you more for a greasy meal in a restaurant. शायद ये अगर किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में आप जाओगे तो इससे ज़्यादा ही कॉस्ट आपको देनी पड़ेगी. एंड वी विल go up to Wade's Hill and enjoy the view while we eat. And after taking the lunch pack, we can go to Wade's Hill, a name of a hill, okay, and enjoy the view while we eat over there. हम लोग वहाँ जाके अपना लंच लेते हुए एक सीनरी को हम लोग इंजॉय कर रहे होंगे. So in this way, we have seen the development over here. The questions are there. What more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? Does the narrator serve the summons that day? Who is Lutkins? So we will cover this much in the next video.